off. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And kick. There we go. All right. Do another one for me. You got this. Go. Okay, Ellie, here's the thing. You know my line right here? Try to get that good foot all the way down on my white line. Can you do it? When you lift it up, put it all the way through the white line. Got it? Do this. Go, kiddo. Go, kiddo. There we go. All right, come on. Do it by yourself, kid. You can do this. You can do this. You can make that tricky, right? Come on. Kick, kick. Oh, don't get all giggly on me. Okay, come on. Come on. Go, kiddo. Go, kiddo. There you go. Reach back farther, okay? Make sure your hands hit the back of the floor before you kick over. Okay? Hey, look at me. Woo, woo. You hear me? You hear me? What I just said. Hands hit the floor, then kick it over. Okay? All slow motion. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, very nice. Okay, don't bend. Go fast, fast, fast. Oh, you gotta lean back on the barrel. Kick harder. Kick harder, kiddo. Come on. Kick hard, hard, hard.
There you go.
Let's do a few more and then we'll move the barrel. How's that sound? Sound good, right? Those are the bigger stuff. Sit up. There you go. Okay, let's do one more. We're going to go backwards. We got to learn back walk. We got to do that. You got to land it. That's my rule. All right, come on. Throw up. Go, 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 go. Fast, fast, fast. Nice job, Ellie. All right, let's do this.
Ellie has to fight.
All right, same thing.
Who?
Why not?
Who?
Kayla.
Oh.
Stand first. Stand. Bridge. Stand tall.
What?
Stand tall. Stand tall. There you go. All right, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it ended just like 5 minutes ago.
And stand up tall. There we go. All right. We do handstand bridge. Stand up by ourselves. Let's straight up. Go, kiddo. And bridge. Stand up tall. Very nice. Love it. Come on, Ellie. Let's do a few more. I want to try
What's the problem?
Come on, Ellie. You got this. I don't want to have to help you. Come on. And bridge. Stand up tall. Nice job, Ellie. Come on, let's make a jump back. Hands, hands, hands. Where your hands gonna go? And snap the feet. Nice snap, Ellie. All right, got jump harder. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, why are we stepping out? You should snap those feet down faster. Come on. Snap your feet. Oh, where do we start? The hands should start together. Feet together. There we go. Ready? Jump. Snap. Bring them together. Snap them down, Ellie. Feet together, just like the barrel. Come on.
Okay.
Snap. There we go. Better, better. All right. Ellie, don't stop. Thank you. Ants in your pants today? Did they make you sit way too still at the hospital? Come here, let's do a back walkover. Come here, let's do a back walkover. Favorite foot in front. Yes, look for the floor. Touch it and kick. Good. Go. Where's the finish? Up. Go. Look for the floor. Higher. Touch it and kick. You did not kick that leg, sister. What was that? Hey, I like the finish. Let me fight. Thank you for remembering. Good, good. Squeeze. Look for the floor. Touch it and kick. Show me the finish. Better. One. Come on, get tight. Kick. I'm done. Hold still. Nice.
That was.
Yep. Try again. Don't roll on your face. I thought you were just going to come down on your back. Try again. You and that face. Child of mine. I will not be responsible for this. Go again. Look for the orange. Oh, okay. Save it. Nope. I pushed you. I moved out of your way for Pete's sake. You were covering my face. You wanted to make me your twin with a big hole in my face. Try again. Push. Stay. That was your best one. Go get a duck. Nice. That was a good one. All right. We like ducks. Scoochie up a little bit, kiddo. There we go. Come on. Go. Nope. Try again. This is the last one. It's got to be amazing. Arms up. Stay on the mat. Go put a duck in the bucket. A little bit front. Put that foot a little bit. Yeah. Now hands out and go. So you have more room. 1 foot. Well, that's 2 feet. How about 1 foot? Like a back walk over? Okay. There you go. Now stand up with 1 foot in front. Oh, honey. 1 foot in front. Here. Jump back there. We're going to do some over the barrel. Push. 1 foot in front, sweetie. 1 foot it stays. Now look at your fingers. Look at, up here, up here. No, honey. One. Yes. Thank you. Now this time when you land, we're going to look at our fingers and we're going to count the... Yeah. Look at 1 foot in front. Look at your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now wait a minute. Stand right there. Put your favorite foot in front. Put your arms up. Arms up. Now do a round off. Cartwheel feet together. Do a round off. Cartwheel feet together. Oh. This is a front walkover. Look at your hands. 1. Look at your fingers. Look at your fingers. 2, 3. Round off. Cartwheel feet together. Arms up. Don't crisscross. Look like you got people. Put your feet side by side. Good girl. Come back here. Foot in front. There you go. Front walk over. 1 foot in front. 1, 2, 3. Round off feet together. That was a little better. We're going to take the barrel away. 1 foot in front. Nope. Come back. Try again. That was 2 feet. Gotta have 1 foot. Nope. Walk around. What, honey? 1 foot. There. Then stand up. Round off. Feet together.
So I just got back from my private. All you guys wanna know what happens in my zip. So what happened? I was leaning on the bench, seeing if I was like this, leaning out and seeing if they could pull, if anybody was out. And then I moved over and I was like this. And then I was like this, and I pushed. They actually like pushed down, and I fell, and then I hit my leg right there, right on that thing, right there on that edge. So that is what happened, and I got the scar. And it is really swollen. Just hold it up a little. If you can't do it, it's not right. Ah! It's up. See, look at that. It's like the size of your hanky. See, it's like that. Now I have like a fat lip. See? I can't really smile when I talk. I'm like,
Pull the camera away from your face.
it probably.
Come here, now hold it.
And it'll probably be too. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. And the question of the day is, have you ever injured your lip? Yes, I have. This is my first time. I've never injured any of my face part. Like, I haven't broke my nose, but I've done something to my nose. I was at my private and then I rolled over. And then there's this bone right there was, like, it went like that and it pushed in. And then the bone pushed out a little. And then there's a muck. I'm alright though. Little. I'm dying. Thanks for watching this video and bye. Bye.